Girl Bella.
Hello babes, it's me, Shannon B for BrownGirlBella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. Today is my 3-month check-in. I have been using the Neulash serum, this little baby right here, since June, and now I'm going to give you guys a check-in as to how it's working for me. Is it still working for me? And what I think about the product after 3 months. So let's go. Here's my Neulash check-in. So I thought I would first start off with using the product. So right next to me is B-roll of me using it every night. This is how I apply the Neulash onto my eyelashes using the brush here. I just go along the lash line and I put it on the top as well as on the bottom. I use it every single night before I go to bed as the product recommends. So now I am done with my face. I just need to do my eye look. So I thought I would jump on here and show you how I do my eye look. My eyes are already primed. I'm gonna go and use the ABH Norvina palette. This is her Pro Pigment Palette. And let's see, I'm gonna try to keep away from the pinks today. I'm gonna try. I think I'll do some purple today. So I'm gonna try A3. And I'm gonna put that right on the outer skirts of my eye look. Wiping off the color, I'm gonna go in a little deeper. I'm gonna use that C2 right here, and I'm gonna put that right next to the other color. And now with my jumbo blender, I'm gonna go into D4 and I'm gonna put that all over the lid with the rest of the space that I have. I'm gonna take my rougher brush and I'm gonna go into this bright pink vivid shade right here. That's E5. And I'm gonna take that and I'm actually going to carve out the upper brow and then wetting this detail brush just a little bit. I'm gonna dip it into A2 and I'm just going to pat that color right in that crease to give that. All right, there is the eye look. I'm going to grab one of my Wayne Goss eye koals. This is in the color Rich Hazel. And I'm going to use that to just line my eyes a little. Alright, now we're ready for the mascara. And I'm so excited because now that my lashes are finally long, I can really have fun and play with layering my mascaras, getting some length and some definition. I always love to start off with a little primer, and this is by Dior. And then let's go in with my 1-2 punch. First, we're going to start with the Gucci mascara. I'll use a handheld for this one, so you can really see the length and definition of the lashes. Ladies, don't forget to drop it low and wiggle, 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 wiggle. That's how we put our mascara on. So that is one coat of the Gucci mascara. And now we're going to put a coat of the Dark Star mascara from Mother Pat. Again, dropping it low, then wiggle, 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 wiggle. And don't forget to get the tips of your lashes so you can get that extra oomph. Belle Amour. So let's talk a little bit more about this Neulash. So like I said, I've been using it every night since the first week of June. This is now the last week of August. So I've had it on for a full 3 months. I really like the way my lashes look. I did get a little length in the 3 months time, but they're really strong. I have to say my lashes are really healthy and strong. I think that this is really helping to preserve the life of my lashes. I have not, except for maybe once or twice, I have not used any false eyelashes, because I want to see how long and how full my natural lashes can get before I put on any false lashes. I might do it for my birthday just because, but for the most part I don't use anything other than mascara and this on my lashes. $95 is a steep price to pay for this product. There are lots of drugstore options that are available now. So if you would like to try it, I would suggest you go and at least try one of the drugstore brands that is not as expensive as this one. But if you want to shop with Shannon, the code for this and the link for this product is in the description box under Shop with Shannon. If you would like to shop there, know that I do receive a small commission on anything that you buy using my links. Now, I just got another 2 tubes of this serum from Nordstrom's. Nordstrom's is having their anniversary sale, and I was able to get 2 for the price of 1. So that is actually a very good deal. So for the price of one, I actually got 2 of these. So this should last me throughout the rest of the year and into 2021. So I'm really happy about that. And in 3 months time, I'm not finished with this product either. So I have to say that even though it is a steep price, you really are getting a lot for your money. This is 3.2 milliliters or 1.1 fluid ounce. It is made by Skin Research Laboratories, which is manufactured and distributed in California. This product is made in the USA, and you can get more information on Neulash at www.neulash.com. And New is spelled N-E-U, Lash, L-A-S-H.com. So I have to say I am really happy with how my lashes are looking thus far. Again, this is a 3-month check-in, and I am really happy with the way my lashes are looking these days. So yes, I think it's worth the money. Yes, I will be continuing to use it. I just bought some more of the product, so I will check in with you guys periodically and let you know how it's doing. I haven't had any adverse effects. The first time that I used it, I did feel a little bit of stinging, but that was it. I also know that some people were saying that they got some darkness at the lash line. I noticed just a little bit of that, but for the most part, I'm either using a kohl pencil like what I just did with the Wayne Goss to line my eyes, or I'm using mascara. So either way, I don't really see the dark line underneath, so I'm not concerned about that. No irritation to the eye, no stinging, none of that. So I'm very happy with my purchase, and I do recommend Neulash if you are really serious about taking care of your lashes and want to invest in a high quality product. Like I said, this product is very good. So that concludes my check-in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and take care of that now. Hit that subscribe button and then tap that bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. Until next time, you've been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.